Stop by and take a look at the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, remote engine start, running boards, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, driver attention alert system, wireless charging station, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio digital sound processing.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.